What if everything we know about history is only a fraction of the truth? What if, long before humans walked the Earth as the dominant species, another intelligent civilization thrived, leaving behind only whispers in the dirt? It's an idea that seems pulled from science fiction, yet when we dig a little deeper, it begins to feel unsettlingly plausible. Today we're exploring a haunting question. What if we were not the first intelligent civilization on Earth? Let's start with the Silurian Hypothesis, a thought experiment posed by scientists Adam Frank and Gavin Schmidt. It asks, if an advanced civilization existed millions of years ago, would we find any evidence of them today? The surprising answer is, probably not. Over time, Earth's surface is constantly being recycled through tectonic activity, erosion, and climate change. Buildings, roads, even entire cities would crumble into dust, leaving little to no trace after a few million years. What's left of their existence might be microscopic, a chemical signature buried deep in the geological record. In the same way a sandcastle is reclaimed by the ocean, the Earth reclaims everything built upon it. If a civilization thrived millions of years ago, would its monuments now be indistinguishable from ordinary rocks? But what if the evidence is already here, hidden in plain sight? For instance, there are unexplained anomalies in the geological record. Scientists have discovered layers of unusual carbon deposits and spikes in greenhouse gases, suggesting industrial-scale activity far earlier than humans appeared. Could these be the fingerprints of an ancient civilization? Then there are the unexplained artifacts, objects that don't seem to fit into the timeline of human history. Some claim these are remnants of lost civilizations far older than we've imagined. Could they be coincidences, or something more? Here's the irony. For all our advancements, we might lack the tools to recognize an ancient civilization if it didn't resemble our own. What if their technology wasn't based on metals or plastics but something biodegradable, something we'd mistake for natural formations? Or worse, what if we're walking on their ruins every day, oblivious to their significance? Think about this. When we discover fossils or ancient bones, we marvel at how life adapted and evolved. But what if one of those discoveries isn't from an animal, but from a forgotten species of intelligent beings? Would we even recognize it as such? What would they look like? If another intelligent species existed, what might they have looked like? Would they resemble us, or would they have evolved under entirely different circumstances? Perhaps they were aquatic, dwelling in oceans we've barely explored. Or maybe their intelligence didn't manifest physically, but as an advanced hive mind we can't comprehend. Consider this. 80% of Earth's oceans remain unexplored. Could their traces still lie hidden in the deep, beyond the reach of human curiosity? Lessons from the past. Here's a question worth pondering. If a past civilization did exist, what caused their downfall? Was it environmental collapse, war, or something we can't even imagine? And if their fate mirrored the path we're on now, could their story serve as a warning to us? Perhaps the real legacy of an ancient civilization isn't physical evidence, but a lesson we've yet to uncover. A lesson about survival, sustainability, and the fragility of intelligence in the face of time. So, what if we weren't the first intelligent civilization on Earth? The possibility challenges our understanding of history and humbles us with the realization that humanity's story is just one chapter in a much larger book. A book we may never fully read. Until next time, keep asking the questions that make you wonder, because the past may be more alive than we think. What do you think? Could another intelligent civilization have existed before us? Share your theories in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to What If Reality for more mind-bending explorations.